Alright, Chapter 7, Problem 2, let's tackle it. In 2012, the box industry was perfectly competitive. The lowest point or minimal average long run cost of each of the identical box producer was $4, and this minimum point occurred in an output of 1,000 boxes per month. The market demand curve for boxes was QD, where Q was the quantity of boxes demanded per month, equal 140,000 minus 10,000 P. P was the price per box in dollars per month per box. And the market supply curve for boxes was QS equal 80,000 plus 5,000 P, where QS was the quantity of boxes supplied per month. Question A. What was the equilibrium price of a box? Is the long run equilibrium price or not? Question B. How many firms are in this industry when it is in long run equilibrium? To answer question A, you have to utilize your understanding such that profit in the long run equilibrium in the perfectly competitive market is 0 for every firm. Otherwise, there will be entry or exit of a firm, right? So the profit equals 0 for each company happens when the minimum of long run average cost equal to the price. So that's what we can find and compare to that when we find equilibrium price here. So for question A, since the industry is perfectly in equilibrium, each firm takes the market price as given and merely reacts to it, price taker, right? This equilibrium price is given by setting demand equal, quantity demanded equal, quantity supply for given price. Then you can find price and quantity demanded supply at the same time. So by equating quantity demanded 140,000 minus 10,000 P on the left and quantity supply 80,000 minus plus 5,000 P. So you have one equation for one unknown variable, which is price per boxes per box. So by solving it, so you can solve it here, right? Move 80,000 to the left, then you have 60,000. And moving this to the right, you have 15,000 P. So divide both sides by 15,000. Cancel here. Cancel 3 and this one. Generate 4. So equilibrium price that you found from quantity supply and quantity demanded happen to equal in market transaction in the short run. So this is same level as the long run equilibrium price, which is the minimum long run average cost at 4. So you can conclude that the long run equilibrium price must be $4, and since it's the minimum long run average total cost of all the firms, thus the short run equilibrium price we just found by calculating from given demand and supply function is equal to the long run equilibrium price. So the market is in the long run equilibrium. So as you found price equal 4, you can plug in back to either quantity demanded or quantity supply. So when you do that, let's do it here. Plug P equal 4 to quantity supply. Then you can find quantity traded in this market will be 80,000 plus 5,000 multiplied 4, which generate 20,000, right? So you find out in the long run equilibrium that happened right now in the short run, make a transaction of 100,000 boxes traded in the market between buyers and sellers at price 4. So this helps you to answer question B. Question B, how many firms are in this industry when it's in the long run equilibrium? So if you look at the top of the question, so at this minimum long run average cost, that cost occurred at an output of 1,000 boxes per month for each company. So each company produces 1,000 and total 100,000 are traded in the market according to market demand supply curve. So by dividing 1,000 each company's output, you can conclude there's total 100 companies in this market. So that's the answer. I hope you enjoyed this question as I enjoyed. Thanks for watching.